In walk like you walk go inside with a machete or something. So him stand up there. And he have a machete in his hand, and the man there, did they not see him machete? See them right here, you see it? The machete the boy have in his hand, you know? Right here. No, sir. I must madman this, sir.
And then now, I was catching a customer, and he wasn't behind the customer waiting, right?
Boy, does that take out the money, sir? Watch ya. You want security could the damn police, you see man just bust him in the back, man. Hate them dirty thief, you see, man. Watch him now. I say, watch him. More man go find. Watch him. What do you dirty machine, man? Tell the people, attack upon him, straight attack. My God of patience. Tough enough people. The man does a take money and a put in a pocket, so wait security then there. Eh? Big old dirty thinking place like that now, no security. With the big old dirty machine. No, sir. Wait, you know? Watch you know? I'm thinking dirty sitting man. Would you see it could dirty slippers and got pan in your foot? Where? See, I tell you, so much minutes. Nobody no intervene with the man with a machete and take up money. And... No, sir. See, then gone. What gone? So easily. So done. Eh? What else next? What then nobody no commit. He come back again. Something you left. I come in, come back. Oh, come fix back it, jar them. No, sir. I inside job this. Inside job. You don't look real, people. You don't look real. You don't look real. It don't look real, my viewers and subscribers. You understand? Well, it's real. And news are reach New Link now, so this took place in a St. Vincent and the Grenadines, people. You understand? Because this video was sent to New Link from one of the fans them in a St. Vincent. So big up to each and everyone in a St. Vincent, right? And them say this happened yesterday, that a Saturday in the evening was the people, right? And it is a supermarket, but on another part, you know, where them do the check off, like the accounts and everything, a big supermarket, them so people. And this man, you know, with the machete, managed to go round there, and you see the whole over 4 minutes. Him did it with the machete, people, and do the thing, even move fast or no. You understand? So it's like this thing they told me, say they well plan out. You know, say you have the COVID-19 crisis now, which plenty people, but from news we are reached New Link is that St. Vincent is not under no curfew where people have to stay inside like people that go about their normal duty. Same way, you know what I mean? Because the government hasn't issued that curfew in St. Vincent right now. And this man managed to go in at the supermarket and do these people for over 4 minutes. No security there. You understand? Nobody if you know a man with machete or what. So people afraid. Me know say if a Jamaica him the people, me I tell you this, him that done. If he even not Trinidad in there, in that done. So me I say where the civilians them they are saying we know say the COVID-19, yes, but honestly people, you know see how the man do it and come back and push in jaw after and gone. But the great thing about it, people, as you can see camera catching face and everything. Kind of have on a mask or anything like that. So news reach New Link say in the liquor at other places too, and go and do other places same thing too. And now he's in police custody. Police do hold him and capture him, you understand? And charges gonna be laid against him because the camera did see everything. So like you can see I know him or him, you know what I mean? But in the end, people we tell us the thief them out because right now we have couple upload for the people, not just this one, and a couple thieving we are going and looting because of the COVID-19 crisis. You see, people are load, both women and man, them are load people. And you know what I mean, now go see, we are tell about all we can tell, a thief is not the answer. We know people are say, yo, people now food, they now grocery because of this and that, but thieving is not the answer. Me say, rather go, they go beg than go thief. Honestly, people, begging people, that's a shame, but for me, I'm not shame. You understand, when you thief, it's a shame. You know what I mean? So if me go beg you something, you know, give me that, so like, you know, you don't have it, or what, you know, you run me like that, I just say go. But me now go thief. I now go thief. No, sir, me now go thief, people. John, New Link now go thief. Attack on them, man. Me now go thief, people. Attack on them, New Link. Me now go thief, people. Attack on them, New Link. So you see at the end, I tell you, it's tough. And just know that it's tough. It's tough, people. You know what I mean? See there now? Cool concrete, burn him back here now. See, I don't know anything of viewers and subscribers, man. I don't know. Thanks for watching and thanks for the love and thanks for the support. And we just hope so the people them can do secure them family and loved one in these times, this serious time now. You understand, as we are telling about the COVID-19, it's a serious thing, and just hope the people them can stay safe, go and secure themselves and go and quarantine out and all the orders, because people, it is serious, it is real. The COVID-19 is here, it's all over the place, and it's causing plenty fear. You understand, for both men, woman, child, big woman, and everybody. And we want the people to stay safe and secure. So when New Link say attack the COVID-19, what we do? Attack COVID-19, attack it, attack it, attack it. Attack it with the blessings, because we want to get rid of it, so we want the blessings fall upon we and protect we. So don't know a thing of people. Remember to do follow me on Instagram, you understand, NewLink_production official. Follow us on Facebook, New Link Production, and like up the page and follow the page. And also follow us on something there, you know what I mean, without telling about TikTok, people. But honestly, me have a video when we get about TikTok, and right now I go delete my TikTok, so X that out for now. But Twitter, New Link Production, because you all the things are going with TikTok, you understand. And maybe we can put that video there on YouTube, but I'm going to post that video there on my Facebook page. So you can go over my Facebook page, New Link Production official, New Link Production Facebook page. I want to check out the video I'm going to put up about TikTok. We're going to watch it, come out and watch it. And for every one of the fans them who want TikTok, we're not going to get a change of mind, because some serious information we're not going to know. I'm also not going to delete this TikTok thing. I want to see that from government officials speaking in the United States of America, and them information, the real. I want the people have to see it and understand it. No joke thing about it, people. You know what I mean? So when we put up that video there on my Facebook, I'm going to go out there, I'm going to see it and share that video there to our friends, to our families and enemies, everybody, so they can learn. Because this TikTok thing come and rise so fast, and you see anything you see easy catching and easy rise and come big like that, remember in the end of the day consequences behind it. Because in the end of the day, people, nothing like we're free, no? Check it out, nothing like we're free, you know what I mean? So there's things behind this where we need to know, but the truth has been always hiding from us, and they fail to tell us the truth, you know what I mean? But when they do common sense and things you do reach to you, they even try to brainwash you and then think them trick we already. But New Link say, as the popcorn tell you, we now make them trick we and kill we smarter than them people, so be careful of them something here. Sometimes when everything we see comes a boom and a blast and a can make that thing there if you go, because people see New Link enough, and what my channel they get licking up people, and they say, New Link, when can I do the TikTok New Link? You know, say, can I make money on TikTok? I'm say, because New Link, I eat food, you know. I'm saying, TikTok, boy, I see it from when, you know. You know, so I'm not too interested, I'm going to say, right then, boom, I'm going to try it here, man. Download app and thing. Upload both 4 videos on it, me have our 3. Me remember, people, honestly, When I see this video right now, I delete me, I go delete the TikTok something there. Be a man, me unlog out myself, people, because me not even not telling you the full thing about it. Someone to go on my Facebook page, go watch the thing, and then you will learn. You follow my Facebook page yet, you not like it. You will remember to do follow me on Instagram, people. You can't be a fan of New Link, you can't DM New Link, you follow me on Instagram, New Link _production official. Because now fans, you fi DM New Link, you fi talk with New Link, you fi have a good time with New Link, and that's the thing, the people. Because in the end, New Link want to see me fans them. You know what I mean? Want to stay connected with my fans them anyone or day in the world. So you don't know people, you go. I send a shout out to some countries right now before me even go call the video there. You know what I mean? We never really go so long pan videos, people, and we know they want a kind of long still, but good topic, deserve strength and length. So you are going. St. Vincent, big up on yourself, you know. Don't know. Everybody in St. Vincent, secure in the family, straight up. You don't know. Jamaica, enough love and enough respect every time. Big up and blessings from the 14 parishes, them and corner. You may say Turks and Caicos, big up on yourself, everybody in the Turks and Caicos. The whole beaches workers, them family, all hotel workers family, the whole Windsong hotel family, 7-star, everybody in the Turks and Caicos, the restaurant people, them, everybody in the street, all of the New Link fans, them in the Turks and Caicos. Whether they are Grand Turk, whether they over in a South Caicos, North Caicos, Middle Caicos, you don't know, South Caicos, all the Turks and Caicos, enough love and enough respect. The government official, them, everybody, man, all of the police, them, who go and curfew the thing and run the thing and the orders. Big up on yourself in the Turks and Caicos. You understand? When me go now, me go in a Trinidad, big up a whole Trinidad and Tobago family, St. Speed, you know what I mean? Curious family, Montserrat family, Cayman Islands, big up on yourself. Bahamas 242, all Bahamans, big up on yourself. You get me? I say right over Guyana, big up on yourself. Belize, Bermuda, Barbados, big up on yourself. See how the New Link fans, them I say attack, attack, attack. Don't know Angola, big up on yourself. Enough love, enough respect in United States of America, Canada, England, again I say all of Europe, big up on yourself, Africa, Asia, South, everywhere, you know what I mean? In North America, South America, like Costa Rica and them place, the whole Asian family them big up, the whole Dominican family them big up. You get me? I say people all over the Caribbean them big up. Big up Montserrat already, because we place that, you know, big up yourself over there, I understand? I don't know, so we big up third place them Tartula and them place there, big up yourself, because yeah, we have fans all over the place, New Link. So the whole Caribbean them have feel the vibes, you understand? I remember, you know, New Link tour soon come up. COVID-19, go away, please. Because the promoter them need New Link. Peace out, respect, attack them. Thanks for watching. Enough love, enough support. Big up every time. I'm out.